Yes, it's recording.
Okay, this is Ruyeye on New Year's Day singing The Gambler by Kenny Loggins.
Beautiful, Oh, desperate guys, enjoy this video.
One summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, met up with the gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns.
Have fun at home, as the whole night is going to be like this.
And
then tomorrow we're going to... Then we
to
get calls in the morning. I swear, I'm not allowing anyone to answer phone calls tomorrow. I'm not answering phones tomorrow.
So if you don't mind my saying, see you right, baby, for a taste of your teeth, to give you some advice. So I handed them my bottle, drank down my last swallow, then he bought me a cigarette. He asked me for a light. Night got deathly quiet. His face lost all expression. Said if you wanna play the game, but you gotta learn to play it right. You gotta know when to hold up, know when to fold up, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. You'll be timing out for counting when the dealing's done. Every gambler knows the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away and knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser. The best that you can hope for is to die in your sleep. So if they finish ticking, you turn back toward the window, brushed out a cigarette, drifted up to sleep. Somewhere in the darkness, the gambler, he broke even. Hear his final words of fun, they said I could keep. Know when to hold up, know when to walk away, know when to run. Count your money when you're sitting at the table. Time enough for counting when the deal is done. Know when to hold up, know when to fold up, know when to walk away.
The mask is out.
Sitting at the table, time enough for counting when the deal is done.
Oh yeah. Papa Wemba.
Yes, and that was Ruyeye performing Kenny Loggins, the song also known as The Gambler. And I want to say thank you to my man in Porokoso and my father in
Nakonde.
That's my grandmother in Nakonde. Also me myself on my father's side, I'm from Kwamungure. Yes, Kwakumishesu. Top 10, just before you get to Kabwe. I want to say Bulibuyani Ndikabotu Chitondimwe.
Take us to home, Zambia.
And then
Crazy low.
and then I just want to wish a happy new year 2010. I know it's not here yet, but it's belated. Oh, I mean in advance. Yes, it's belated before it is out today.
How do I stop this, Lou?